Okay, hello friends. Today we are going to talk about important topic of the chapter number 10, light, reflection, refraction, ray diagram, which is usually asked in exam. Okay, so for ray diagram, you can say four possible rays, incident ray, which is incident through concave mirror and convex mirror. After reflection, where it is passing. Okay, so that you have to understand first. So before we talk about any position of an object for concave mirror or convex mirror, let us see four different incident ray. So first, if we think about the concave mirror, now suppose if the light ray is incident, okay, this is suppose focus point, this is center of curvature. Now light ray suppose incident parallel to the principal axis, definitely, okay, after reflection it will pass from the focus point. So this is what one of the important ray. Now in case of concave mirror, the ray after reflection converge. Okay, so that means this is what the possible first point you have to remember. Now in case of convex mirror, as after incident ray it is it is diverge. Okay, so here in this case, suppose if the light ray is incident, okay, the light ray is move in such a way that it just appear to pass from the focus point. So if this is focus point, the ray will diverge, okay, in this manner. So this is what the incident ray, which is parallel to principal axis, and after reflection it will move, okay, it will diverge in such a way that when you extend the ray it will pass from the focus point. So this is what first possibility. Second possibility, in which the light ray, suppose if passing from the focus point, okay, let us say this is P, this is F, this is C, center of curvature. Now if the light is incident, suppose if the light is incident in such a way that it is passing from the focus point. So this is what incident ray. Now after reflection, it will pass, it will move parallel to principal axis. So this is what the second possibility. Here when the light ray is passing incident and passing from the focus point, after reflection it will move in this manner, right? Now third, for convex mirror, suppose if we say parallel, we are talking about the convex mirror also. So here suppose this light ray is passing from the, right, this is center of curvature. Now suppose if the light ray is incident in this manner and just passing from the focus point, if we extend this ray, so this is incident ray. After reflection it will diverge in this manner. So this is second possibility. Now third possibility, suppose if the light ray is passing from the center of curvature, this is what concave mirror. Now in this case concave mirror, if the light ray is incident in such a way that it is passing from the center of curvature, so it will reflect back on the same trajectory, same path, okay, but in opposite direction. So here also, if you think about the center of curvature, the light ray, when you think about the focus center of curvature, and if the light ray is incident in this manner, okay, passing from the center of curvature, after reflection it will move back again in the same path in opposite direction. And fourth point, these 4 points are very important for the ray diagram, that's why you people should know. Now in fourth point, when, and that is also important, you can say it is a part of laws of reflection. So if you consider about this I'm presenting here first of all F and C. Now if the light ray is incident on any arbitrary direction and making some angle, okay, so this principal axis itself is become what? Normal. So it make some angle, incident angle is theta. So as per the law of reflection, the light ray should reflect making same angle theta. Okay, so if this is incident ray, the reflected ray also make the same angle. Now here in case of convex mirror, how the possible ray is to be represented? So suppose this is what focus point, center of curvature, right? Now suppose if the light ray is incident in this manner, making some angle theta, okay? This is incident. So reflected ray also diverge, making same angle theta with the principal axis. So these are the 4 points which you have to remember for the image formation. Out of these 4, possibly you need minimum 2 rays for the image formation for the for concave area convex mirror. So let's see how the image is to be formed.